Still on that, majority of the Supreme Court judges have agreed that the Populous Building Bridges Initiative proposal to amend the Constitution was erred in its drafting. A total of 7 contentious issues were framed for determination by the 7-judge bench led by Chief Justice Martha Koome, matters that saw each of the judges issue independent verdicts. Grace Wangoi brings us a breakdown of the ruling.
The Supreme Court 7-judge bench on Thursday made a determination on the contentious BBI, declaring it unconstitutional. 7 issues had been framed for determination by the highest court on the land, following petitions filed by the proponents of the BBI. The 7 judges, acting independently, expressed different opinions on all 7 issues. On whether or not the president can initiate constitutional changes through popular initiative, all Supreme Court judges, apart from Lady Justice Njoki Ndong'o, ruled that the president cannot initiate constitutional changes through popular initiative.
Doctrine.
Issuing her verdict, Supreme Court Judge Njoki Ndong'o noted that President Uhuru Kenyatta has a right to initiate constitutional changes just like Kenyan civilians, but maintained that proponents of the BBI proved that there were other people who directly initiated constitutional change through the BBI and not the president, including Junet Mohammed and Dennis Wawero.
It's therefore my considered view that the popular initiative is primarily about numbers that the promoter must attain and not about who the promoter is or who the person who brings the amendment is. As such, the Superior Courts made a fundamental error by determining that popular, the word popular, relates to who moves the amendment and not the numerical threshold that the promoter has to attain.
On the matter of IEBC quorum, the 7-judge bench ruled unanimously that IEBC had no obligation to ensure that BBI promoters comply with requirements for public participation. According to Justices Mwilu, Ibrahim and Wanjala, the important tool of public participation was not incorporated in the implementation of the proposed constitutional change.
The role of IEBC is to verify that the initiative is supported by at least 1 million registered voters upon receipt of the draft bill and the 1 million signatures. I've already, in the previous paragraphs, found in agreement with the 2 courts in respect of the delimitation of constituencies that there was no public participation. However, in respect of Article 257(4), the role of IEBC does not extend beyond verification that the initiative is supported by at least 1 million registered voters without going behind the process to inquire if the promoters did conduct public participation.
All 7 judges unanimously voted that no civil proceedings should be instituted in any court against a sitting president or anyone holding a similar office. Last year, the Court of Appeal upheld the High Court ruling that the president can be sued in his personal capacity for anything done or not done in that capacity.
The functions of the office of president cannot be sued during tenure. And although their immunity is not absolute immunity to impunity, it is nevertheless absolute immunity during the tenure of office.
Additionally, the 7-judge bench also issued the verdict on the basic structure doctrine. All 6 judges except Justice Ibrahim Mohammed agree that the basic structure doctrine does not apply in Kenya. Judges except Justice Ibrahim Mohammed also agreed that the IEBC had 3 commissioners, the requisite composition and quorum to verify signatures. Grace Wangoi for TV News Watch.